Good morning, students. So today I'm going to start a new chapter. Okay. So before that, I want to share one activity with you and you have to answer this question. Okay. I'm sharing this link of the question in your class group and you answer from your mobile device. Okay. And then we'll discuss about it. So ready for the answers? See, I've sent the link. Please vote for the answer, whichever you find is appropriate for you. The question is, which type of ebooks do you find interesting? And there are three options. Ebooks only with text, ebook with images, ebook with images or audio. So give your answers. Okay, so we are getting the answers. Let everyone vote and then I'll tell what is this and why we are dealing with this. Okay, so now you can see here that most of the answers that we are getting is for the third option, that is ebooks with images and audio. So why it is interesting? Why do you find it interesting? Because simple text does not grab your attention. If it is having a image or some extra audio with it, you find it interesting. Okay. So today our topic is animation. So let us see one presentation. Okay, I'm sharing you one presentation and have a look and then I'll make you understand what is it. So this was a simple show of presentation having some cartoon characters with some sound and some moving effects. Okay, let us move on to the next slide, which will give you a tour of the football stadium. See here. See, this is football stadium and the football you can see is moving. Some sound also, sound effects. Let us move on to the next page that will give you a tour of table tennis court. Okay, see. Now this is a description of solar system. Okay. So did you all find it interesting? You can give your answers
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
difference
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
observe?
Yes, ma'am.
What difference did you observe? In the previous
Yes, ma'am.
classes, we have prepared some slides,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
presentation, but it is different from the previous slide. In the previous slides, in the previous class, what we have done, we have only inserted some objects, either it was text or images. But now these text, these images are having some movement also. Okay. So what is this? This is only called animation. Okay. So what is animation? Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. Okay. So just now when I described about solar system, you saw that the letters, the words, even they were moving. The text was moving. Okay. Now let us move on to the next slide. What is animation effect in OpenOffice Impress? As we are reading OpenOffice Impress, so what is that? So you remember about slide transition? So we can tell that slide animation are similar to transition, but are applied to a individual element. Now what is this individual element? Okay, so let us have a look first how to use it. Okay, so let us move on to one presentation, one blank presentation, and I'll describe you how to insert animation in the slide. So here I have written animation in slide. How to prepare the slide, we know. So here I have given the topic animation in slide and I have written chapter 6. So I want to give some effects to this text. So what to do? The first step, okay? The first step that we have to do is select the object. Now here, how many objects are there? 2 objects. Okay, one is this title and one is this content here. Okay, so there are 2 objects. So first I'm going to select the title. Then go to slideshow menu. Okay, go to slideshow menu and then choose custom animation. Now you can see here on the left hand side of the window that there is a custom animation pane appearing here. Okay, now go to add option. Now you can find here written different tabs: entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path and mist effect. So all these are different categories of animation effect. Okay. Now let us try them one by one. The names are given. Okay. So first I'll show you what is this. See, the preview is showing. Did you see the effect? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
applying it. See, automatic preview is also on. So click on OK. Now I'm playing the slideshow. And what happened? The text is now having one movement. Now, same you can do with the next object. It can be image also. So we'll move on to the next object. Suppose I'm using circle. Okay, or a diamond. So choose the category according to your need in the slide. Okay. Now let us again play the slideshow and see. This is slide transition. This one is animation effect. Animation in slide. And then this one is chapter 6. Okay. Okay, now let us move on to the next topic, at how to insert animation in image or any item from gallery. So this, I have taken one arrow and I have inserted animation in it. So first I want to see you and observe what is the effect applied to this arrow. So did you find different effects? Now this arrow was having more than one effect. Okay. So that only I wanted to describe, that animation has different categories. One, the first one is emphasis effect. That is The first one is entrance effect that gives the animation while entering the slide. The second one is emphasis effect. If you want to lay more attention on a particular object, okay, while it enters the slide, then you can use emphasis effect. The next one is exit, as the name suggests that while exiting the slide, this effect will be shown. And the next one is motion path. Now path means which direction the object will move. Okay. So again, I'm going to apply this animation and show you. So again, I'm going to take one object from gallery. See here. So go to gallery. Again, I'm choosing one arrow. Okay. So make the size bigger or smaller according to your need. Now select the object. Okay. Now there's one more way you can open the custom animation window. You can see here on the right hand side of the window pane, there's custom animation icon here. So click on it and see custom animation is appearing here. Now click on add. Select the object, click on add. Now choose the first animation, how it will appear. So I'm choosing glide. Okay, and okay. Next one, again I'm adding one more effect to the same object. So again I'm going to add, this time I'm choosing emphasis effect. Okay, so spin. Okay, and okay. One more effect to the same object. Now I'm choosing motion path, where this object will move. Okay, there are different options. I'm showing you one by one. It is making one 8-point star. If I choose a circle, it will move like a circle in a path. So I'm going to choose a free form line so that I can define which way this arrow will move. Okay, so click on OK. Now I'm defining the path. See this arrow? You can move the cursor whichever direction you want to move the arrow. See, I'm taking it towards the upper side. So you can see one arrow here, dotted arrow. So this defines the path. You can define the path according to your need. Okay, now last one, how this object will exit. So again, I'm going to exit and then I'm going to choose again glide. Let us see what happens and okay. Now let us see this effect. So you can choose either from the keyboard F5 shortcut key to play the slideshow. I'm choosing that only. This was the first object. Second one, see, entrance. Next one will be emphasis. Okay, spin. Next is motion path. See, the arrow has moved. And the next one is, it has left the slide, that is exit animation effect. So I think it is clear to everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have seen in the previous object that I have applied some sound effect also. So how to do that? Okay, so let us see that. So for that again I'm choosing one more slide. I have already prepared this slide and only I have to insert one object. So here I have taken one slide. This is a background that I have taken from gallery. Okay, background I have set from the gallery, this one. Now I am inserting one object. I want to show you how to insert, how to give sound to this animation. Okay, animation is moving the text and you can also give some sound effect also. So I'm choosing transport from gallery option. and then I'm choosing this motorcycle. Besides this, okay. Now let us add effect. So what we'll do, we'll choose custom animation, go to add option, turn on your video, students. Why you have turned off the video? Now for entering, I'm choosing one more is put on brakes. Okay, is it clear? So choose the effect according to your object and okay. And you can also choose the speed here, very slow, slow, medium, fast, or very fast. This okay. Now next one is the motion path I'm going to use. How this motorbike will be moving in the slide. So again I'm choosing free form line and okay. Define the path. Again this arrow is appearing with the cursor. Now define the path. Okay. Done. Now one more effect, how this bike will exit the slide. So now again I'm going to choose exit animation and the same effect, put on brakes. It will suit this bike and okay. So this was the animation. Now how to insert sound. So this you can see here, custom animation pane here, and you find this property box. Click on this and go to sound option. There are different sound options available here. You can also download any sound from the internet according to your choice. I have already downloaded this motorcycle arrive and shut off. Okay, you can search according to your slides or your object and you can use that also. Okay. Here also I'm going to use the same sound. Scroll down. There are different sounds available. You can use that also. But I have downloaded this. It will suit this object. So, okay. I'm going to play the sound once. See the preview of the sound. Okay. Sound is of a motorcycle. Okay. Now let us see the slideshow and you tell me, did you understood? See. The bike is appearing, moving to a path and then leaving the slide. One. So use your own ideas, insert the objects and use this custom animation in your slide. Now, again I want to show one video to you all. Okay, so have a look. It will describe what is the importance of animation, a proper animation to you. Okay. So custom animation entrance effect. Audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not clear.
Isn't this introduction confusing? Now, let's try again. A good entry catches the attention of the audience. Now, let us learn how to create entrance animations for a slide in OpenOffice Impress.
Already
Click
we
the
have
slideshow
studied this.
menu in
Take a
OpenOffice
revision
Impress.
of this.
As a result, the menu expands and shows options. Click Custom Animation. A custom animation task pane opens on the right-hand side. Click Add under Modify Effect. The Custom Animation tab appears. It lists different types of animation tabs available. The Entrance tab is selected by default. Under the Entrance tab, select any animation effect from the list. Click OK. The animation is added to the word Overview. Now, similarly add animation to the text appearing on the slide body. Click thrice on any word on a bulleted line of text. Click Add. Under the Entrance tab, select any animation effect from the list. Click OK. Once the animations are selected for all bulleted lines of text, click Play in the Custom Animation window. Impress will show the animations that you applied to the slide. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this animation.
So this was entrance animation effect and why it is important. It gives your slide more to grab the attendance of the audience. Simple text does not grab the attention. So you may apply this custom animation in your slides. Now there's a questionnaire regarding this chapter and the previous chapter that we have read. So I'm sending that link. Okay, it's a Google form link and you have to answer. There are only 5 questions. You may answer this. I'm sending this and then we'll discuss these questions. So give your answers. See, I have sent the link. So go to your group and answer the questions. Questions? Okay, I have sent the Google form link to your group. So answer these questions and then we'll discuss the answers. What is the correct answer? One by one. Come on.
What is the shortcut?
Okay, don't tell the answer now. Okay, so I'm receiving your answers. So question 1 was, what is the shortcut key? Keep on responding and I'm discussing with it. What is the shortcut key for slideshow? Okay, so there were 4 options: enter key, control key with S, or F5, or shift plus F5 key. So the correct answer I have told in the beginning of the class only. That the correct answer is F5. I have discussed this. While starting a slideshow, you can use the shortcut key F5. So yes, the correct answer is F5. Now let us move on to the next question. How can we start the animation, okay, on mouse click or automatically? So as we have read in chapter 5, that there are both ways. Either you can choose mouse click also,
Ma'am,
or you
both.
can set the time also. So
Both.
yes, the correct answer is both. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes,
today?
ma'am.
Okay. Now the next
Yes,
question is, which of the
Yes, ma'am.
following shortcut key is used to end the presentation? So this I think everyone knows.
Yes,
This escape key.
Ma'am, ESC.
Yes, very good. Now the next question is, arrow keys are used to navigate through the slides. Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, very good.
yes.
Yes, very good. So the correct answer is yes. Now last question is, custom animation and slides transition
No.
are
Ma'am,
simultaneous.
no.
No.
Ma'am, no.
Very good.
Ma'am, no.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's very good. So I think it is clear to you all. So now at the end, I want to tell you about your activity that you have to complete today. That is given in your book. Okay, chapter 6, page 106. I'm reading the activity. That create a presentation choosing any one of the topics on the list of the topics given below. So there are different topics: photosynthesis or pollution or deforestation. So what you have to do, you have to make slides, at least 5 for this topic, and you have to apply slide transition also and custom animation also. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope you understood, enjoyed this class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the time is also over. Okay, then we'll meet again in the next class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.